Hello there, welcome to StockX. Today we are going to discuss 4 terms related to stock market that you should know. So, the first term in today's list is bear and bull market. Bear and bull market are the terms most commonly used to refer to the state of the stock market, and sometimes bear and bull are also used to refer to a person according to his strategy of investing. When stock prices in a stock market are generally rising, it is called a bull market, and the exact opposite of a bull market is a bear market when the stock prices in the market are generally falling. For your information only, as when the bear attacks, it strikes down his opponent with his paws, representing stock prices going down, and when bull attacks, it pushes its opponent up with his horns, representing stock price going up. Well, the next term in our list today is order. An order is the fundamental trading unit of a securities market. An order consists of an instruction to a broker or brokerage firm to purchase or sell a security on an investor's behalf. For example, if you want to buy or sell 100 shares of an ABC company, you will place an order through your broker for 100 shares on the current market price or maybe near to the current market price on which other investors is ready to sell or buy your stock, and then this order so yours will be shown on the screen of the exchange you are completing your transaction with. In upcoming videos we shall discuss different types of orders. Next term in our list is bid and ask. Bid and ask are the simple terms relating to placing the order for the shares. They tell the price of the shares you are willing to buy or sell. Your bid is the amount that you are willing to pay for a share and someone is ready to trade those shares at that price, then your order will be completed. And ask is the price at which you are willing to sell a share, and similarly if someone is ready to buy at that price, then your order will be completed. Your bid and ask are valid for one day only. Last term in today's list is bid ask spread. Bid ask spread is the difference between the amount people are willing to spend to buy a share and the amount at which the shareholders are willing to sell a share. A trade can only happen when this spread is resolved. That is, if the lowest price at which a share for a company X is being sold is rupees 100 and the highest price someone is willing to pay for such a share is rupees 98, then due to this conflict no trade can happen. The trade can only happen when the bid and ask price matches. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it useful, and like and subscribe for more videos.